Here's how I got brutally break even twice trading the Nasdaq this morning. So going into market open, I was leaning bearish. We were leaving failure swings at the highs and high time frame low resistance. However, with us having that weekly unfilled bullish imbalance below, I was more set on being bearish until that point. So what was I looking for off of open? Well, all I was really looking for was manipulation higher with an inversion to the downside to target that unfilled weekly, which I could have saw the possibility with this 1 hour intermediate term high or this unfilled 15 minute. So market ends up opening, and as you can see, we tap into this more premium unfilled 1 hour imbalance, where we get an internal SMT, a 30-second inversion targeting that 5-minute intermediate term low. However, this is not where I entered. If you take a look at ES is still respecting this bullish 1 minute and equilibrium of this range. So I was more comfortable waiting for more confirmation on ES before entering, which is what we ended up getting with this displacing candle inversing this 1 minute. So that's where I took my position short on NQ, and as you can see, this taps the 5-minute intermediate term low and then break evens me. So fast forward later in the session, we finally end up sweeping out that unmitigated weekly bullish imbalance, where we have a leg that we need to rebalance with multiple sponsored 5 minutes in. So I actually ended up entering long after we got this 30-second inversion. However, what I failed to notice is that we ended up opening a 5 minute directly when I was entering. Now this was something that threw me off after entering the trade. However, I was still confident in a higher rebalance to the further 5 minutes, so I didn't let this affect me too much and I stayed in the trade. As you can see, we end up hitting that more premium 5 minute and then I get break even.